Vietnam, with its geographical advantage of over 3,200 kilometers coastline between China and Singapore, has affirmed its vision and desire for maritime infrastructure development through its ocean economic strategy. Focus is placed on investment and development of a modern seaport system to meet long-term domestic and international transportation demands. The south of Vietnam is an economic center trading in goods ranging from textiles, furniture, footwear to perishables. The south of Vietnam accounts for 72% of the total cargo throughput of the country. From 2002 to 2008, total container volume throughput was tripled from 1.2 million TEUs to 3.4 million TEUs. To cope with this rapid growth and recognizing the future demand for new capacity, the Vietnamese government has developed a national master port plan which includes building a series of new deep water ports away from the congested cities. These ports will also meet the demands of new generation mega vessels.
We have chosen the right location and the right partners.
Saigon Premier Container Terminal (SPCT) is a joint venture between DP World and Tân Thuận Industrial Promotion Company (IPC). DP World is one of the world-leading terminal operators with 49 terminals and 12 new development projects over 31 countries, including London Gateway, UK, Rotterdam World Gateway, Netherlands, Dakar, Senegal, Yarimka, Turkey, Kolpi, India, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Its joint partner, IPC, Vietnamese state-owned company, is assigned by the government to devise and realize schemes and projects of infrastructure development for export processing zones, industrial parks, residential areas, and new urban areas in Ho Chi Minh City and other provinces with successful projects like Tân Thuận EPZ, first export processing zone in Vietnam, Phu My Hưng residential area, a typical residential of Vietnam, Hiệp Phước Industrial Park, as well as Hiệp Phước Port Urban Area. Construction progress. December 2005, joint venture agreement signed between Tân Thuận IPC and DP World to establish Saigon Premier Container Terminal (SPCT). June 2006, groundbreaking ceremony. July 2006, preliminary foundation work commenced. June 2007, main construction contract awarded to Toa Corporation of Japan. September 2007, construction work kicked off. January 2008, Ho Chi Minh City officially put the Suai Rap Channel into operations. October 2009, first vessel of the French shipping line CMA CGM Colzet. 31st December 2009, construction of Phase 1 completed. January 30th, 2010, the official opening of SPCT. Connectivity. Located on the west bank of Suai Rap River inside Hiệp Phước Industrial Park, SPCT is just 25 minutes and 16 kilometers from the center of the consuming market, Ho Chi Minh City. With the new roads and bridges off the north-south artery, Nguyễn Hữu Thọ Highway, and inside the Hiệp Phước IP, cargo from Ho Chi Minh City, Long An, Tây Ninh enjoy less travel distance and shorter trucking time, thus reducing their inland transportation costs by coming to SPCT. The Mekong Delta, where 90% of the rice export and 60% of the seafood export of Vietnam is produced, has now a huge advantage by using SPCT, since SPCT is the nearest terminal to the riches of the Mekong produce, rice, and seafood products, both in terms of trucking and barging distance. Consequently, customers in this area will save time and cost when using SPCT gateway. Other big cargo sources, such as the north of Ho Chi Minh City, are served by barges to a wide range of contracted ICDs. Most of these ICDs are located in the Tu Duc district, ICD Transimax, Tatamaxco, Phúc Long, Phước Long, but we also barge to Bien Hoa in the northeast. This makes SPCT a competitive alternative in Ho Chi Minh City for the inter-Asia carriers with convenient connection to the industrial parks north of the city. Approach channel. Until the end of 2010, SPCT will receive container vessels via the existing Long Tao Channel and the newly dredged Bình Khánh Cape. The dredging to minus 9.5 meters of the Soi Rap Channel is scheduled to be before year-end 2010. With the 9.5 meter draft plus the 2.8 meter tide range, the Soi Rap Channel and SPCT will accommodate container vessels up to 5,000 TEUs. The advent of the dredged Soi Rap Channel will improve the vessel's steaming time by 2 hours, 50% less time required than the current Long Tao Channel. Since the channel is 30% wider and has less bends than the current route into Ho Chi Minh City ports, it will improve safe navigation and reduces existing length overall LOA restrictions at night. Shipping lines can realize a 50% savings on navigation fees and bunker cost when utilizing the Soi Rap transit route to SPCT. Equipment and Information Technology. Equipped with 5 latest model world-class Panamax Grand Prix cranes for Phase 1, SPCT terminal can handle vessels with 14 container row across or up to 5,000 TEUs vessel size. Heavyweight cargo up to 65 tons with container spreader or 80 tons under break bulk hulk can be easily handled by these cranes.
We have one of the best terminals in the world, and certainly the best in Vietnam. We are a modern facility. We have 500 meters of newly built berth with a modern container terminal and in-gates and out-gates. It is one of the most modern of equipment in the world.
Moreover, SPCT utilizes the latest version of Navisparks N4, the world's leading terminal system provider, which gives SPCT and their client the ability to plan and monitor every container move and location in real time. With state-of-the-art equipment, latest technology together with the professional staff, SPCT has reached consistent productivity, over 30 moves per hour per crane, highest record over existing terminals in Vietnam. This performance ensures the shipping line's shorter turnaround time to save valuable time and money. Modernized cargo handling procedures with the use of the terminal operating system and the integration of this with the Hiệp Phước customs system results in shortened terminal turn times and improved cargo releasing procedures.
You can pick up and deliver your containers via our gates in 20 minutes or less.
As a part of DP World and the design of the terminal, SPCT is compliant with the International Ship and Port Security Code (ISPS) to ensure the world maritime supply chain is secured by using professional security units and 24-hour CCTV surveillance covering the complete terminal, entrances, buildings, and customs areas. SPCT also demands that all activities of the port operation is in line with world standard safety and environment protection regulations to meet the stringent requirements of DP World Global Standards. Customs. The purpose of the Ministry of Finance, General Customs Department, and Ho Chi Minh Customs Department is to set up Hiệp Phước Customs Branch as a typical international seaport model in line with other modern regional and international customs using global standards.
Với phương châm hoạt động của chi cục là thân thiện, minh bạch, hiện đại, thì có thể nói lên tất cả những gì mà chúng tôi mong muốn đạt được và muốn dành cho cá nhân, tổ chức khi đến làm việc tại chi cục. Thì chúng tôi mong muốn là có sự hợp tác giữa hải quan và doanh nghiệp không ngừng phát triển.
Value added services. Using SPCT as their gateway of choice, our customers will experience handling with state-of-the-art equipment and processing through the usage of modern technology, but also can choose to take advantage of our value-added services as SPCT as one-stop shop service provider.
Service. Service.
Service. Service.
Excellent service. This is why we at DP World and SPCT are different. We have a very customer-centric approach with excellent customer service. We welcome you to the world-class city port.
Welcome to SPCT, World Class City Terminal.